Photoshoot. Ready?
Huh? Yes, I'm coming to swim with you, baby. Yes, I'm okay. Yes, baby, I'm okay. This is fun.
Hey guys, it's a Saturday morning and it's hot. So while Paul and Zara are outside cooling down in their little splash pool, I'm gonna be doing breakfast for them. They've already had their crackers, their tea, their fruits and whatever. So I'm just gonna fix them some buttermilk pancakes. I'm going to see if them will indulge me this morning and eat them eggs because I think they're grown tired of eggs. We go through a flat of eggs a week, guys, so that should tell you how much eggs they would normally eat. I'm going to do omelette for me and Paul and pray to God that Eden and Ava don't decide that they're going to wake up. They've been doing so well. They went down for a nice nap. I breastfed them, Paul bottle fed them, gave them their bath. They went down nice and easy. So let's hope that this stays that way. So after breakfast,
Are you still inside now?
No.
You're still inside now?
No. Stay.
You're not hungry?
Stay. Stay.
You hungry? Huh?
No.
You need to watch here, okay?
Okay.
Come over here, come over here. That was actually a whole heap of fun. In the splash pool, it's actually a lot more fun than it looks. It's nice and cool. We need to buy a bigger pool. I can see us doing this every Saturday morning. So yeah, that's how we started on Saturday morning. I even got to wash up the car because it's really bad. But yeah, good start to the morning. Nice to go swim. Want to see what the rest of the day. Good morning, happy Sunday. You know how we do it, always cooking something. Not going to bore you today with what we're cooking. Not going to show you any pictures or videos or any slow motion footage of our finished product. Why would I do that, showing you what we're going to be having for dinner? Not good at that. So, I did pick up my mother earlier and she come over as usual and cook some food. Today though is the day before the big day. Tomorrow, Monday, May 17, the twins will be 1 month old. 1 month fire already, thank God. And we're going to be doing a little photo shoot. I'm using our own creativity. I'm going to take you through it, show you how we're going to go about achieving the look. So you can see all the behind the scenes footage and all them things there. And today I'm paying my homage to Inter, who has won the Italian Serie A. I'm a big football fan. Barca is my side from Spain. But any team that defeat Cristiano Ronaldo, as a Messi fan, I'm all for you. So I'm celebrating Inter today in this vintage jersey. Big up yourself, Inter. Juventus did the win, which means that Ronaldo did the win, which means that in some way, shape or form, I win as a Messi fan. Just so the rivalry go. What do you want to do?
Swim.
You want to swim?
Uh-huh.
But we swam yesterday. We can't swim 2 days in a row. What's the problem? Hmm? You want to swim?
Swim.
But didn't we swim yesterday? Right, so you want to swim again, and outside it's kind of overcast. It's not very sunny. Fake crying, but I'm not moved.
It's me.
So these are the little ones that are supposed to be in the photo shoot. This is Eden right here. Eden, are you ready for your 1 month old photo shoot? Are you ready, baby? Tell the people what you're thinking right now. What's going through your mind? I understand. So she's getting rested before. And here we have Ava. Ava, let the people know, I know you've been doing this modeling thing for a while.
See, I just got my milk on.
You just drank, you just had a good hearty meal. Getting ready for your photo shoot later.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you'll be 1 month old. 4 weeks already. Look at you two.
Look at that. See?
It's Eden. This is Ava. Mommy is yawning.
Mommy is tired, man. Oh my gosh.
Come. Push. Come. High five. Let's go.
When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you might as hell. I get ahead of myself. Finishing races will never begin. I don't want nobody else. You know that you feel as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush. It's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, crush, just let go.
So that's the end of the shoot. They did so well. They were asleep the whole time. Of course, Mom did an excellent job with her years of experience at Edna Manley College.
Not.
Of course, they did brilliantly. And we're now going to eat the one. Where the carrot gone? Of course, Hannah left with the carrot. So this week, it will be 1 month since the arrival of Eden and Ava Reed, the newest additions to the Reed family. They are done for their nap now, and we're going to be eating up all this food in their honor. Something goes up. Anyway, we're going to enjoy the food. Thanks again for celebrating with us, and big up to God as always for being our rock, our shelter.